Class 4 Science. Second semester textbook, Chapter 1, The Food We Eat. Every day we eat food. What are the benefits of eating food? Or why we eat food? We know that we cannot live without eating food. We need to eat food because of many reasons. Food gives us energy to do our daily work and play. For doing anything, we need energy. This energy is obtained from the food we eat. Food is the fuel for us. Food helps us to prevent diseases and be healthy. If you eat proper food, you have less chance of getting disease. Food helps us to repair our body. Eating good food helps you to repairing injured body parts. Finally, food is needed for your growth and development. You will be taller and stronger by eating food. Food we eat. Let us check what are the food items we eat in our daily life. Vegetables. We eat vegetables such as spinach, cauliflower, brinjal, carrot, beetroot, etc. Seeds. There are two types of seeds we eat: cereals and pulses. Wheat, rice, bajra, maize and ragi are cereals. All types of dals are pulses. The next thing we eat is fruits. We eat different types of fruits: banana, kiwi, oranges, apple, plum, etc. are examples of fruits we eat. The next item is egg, fish and meat. Egg, fish and meat are also we include in our daily food. Milk products. Milk products are one of the important food items. Curd, cheese, butter and ghee are milk products we use. What does food contain? The food that we eat contain nutrients. Nutrients are the substances that are required by the body to perform its basic functions, growth and development. Nutrients can be divided into 5 groups: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. Carbohydrates present in our food give us energy to do work. Potatoes, beetroots, sugarcane, rice, chapati, breads and cereals contains carbohydrates. People doing more physical work needs more carbohydrate containing food. The extra food in our body is stored as fat. It helps our body keep warm. Oil, butter, meat, nuts, etc. contain fats. Proteins. Proteins present in the food are needed for the growth of the body. We should eat protein food for the growth and repairing of our body. Protein helps us to heal wounds, cuts and bruises faster. Bruise means injuries inside the skin or discoloration without a break in the outer skin. That is why proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Cheese, eggs, fish, meat, soya beans and pulses are protein-rich food items. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins present in the food protect our body against diseases. Vitamins are essential for normal growth and nutrition of the body. They cannot be made by the body. We get vitamins from the food we eat. Let us learn the type of vitamins, its benefits, and the food from which we get these vitamins. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for normal vision. It prevents eye problems. It also helps the heart, lungs, kidneys, and other organs work properly. Vitamin A is found in milk, eggs, carrots, pumpkin, papayas, and mangoes. Next, vitamin B. B vitamins play a significant role in maintaining good health and well-being. It is important for the functioning of the body. Cereals, pulses, and broccoli are rich in vitamin B. Vitamin C is needed for the growth and repair of tissues in the body. It is important for healthy bones, teeth and gums. It also helps in healing wounds. Lemons, oranges, strawberries, guavas and tomatoes are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps to build bones and keep bones strong and healthy. We get vitamin D from egg yolk and milk. We also get vitamin D from sunshine exposure. Vitamin E helps to protect our body from damages. Vegetable oil, nuts, and green leafy vegetables provide vitamin E. Vitamin K is a nutrient that the body needs to stay healthy. It is important for blood clotting, that is, stop excessive bleeding from wounds, and healthy bones, and also has another function in the body. Spinach, beans, soya beans, etc. give us vitamin K. Minerals. Just like vitamins, minerals help our body grow, develop and stay healthy. Calcium, iron, etc. are minerals. Calcium makes our bones strong. We get calcium from milk. Green leafy vegetables contains iron. Apple, brinjals, cabbage, broccoli, milk, fish, cheese, yogurt and nuts are the sources of minerals. Water. Water carries nutrients to all parts of our body. It helps in digesting the food. Water flushes out toxins and waste. It also helps to regulate our body temperature. We should drink plenty of water to stay healthy. Roughage. Fibrous, indigestible materials in vegetable foodstuffs are called roughage. This helps to keep our digestive system clean. Carrot, cucumber, apples, oranges, nuts, peanuts, beans, and peas are good sources of fiber. Some vitamins and minerals in food lost during cooking. So, some fruits and vegetables should be eaten raw. Fruits like cucumber, carrot, radishes, and tomatoes can be eaten in raw, which provides us a lot of nutrients. Balanced diet. If we eat a single type of food, we will not get all the nutrients that our body needs. So we should include different types of food in our daily diet. A diet that provides in correct amounts all the nutrients required by the body along with water and roughage is called a balanced diet. Dear children, all of you read chapter 1 from semester 2 or 3 times and try to do the exercises. Thank you all.